morning, everyone. This is Daryl with the Falcon 64 project today with another video on MPG for my dually, and I'm going to be showing you RPMs at certain speeds. That way you have an idea for the 373s what you're turning as far as RPMs go as you're cruising along. Right now I'm heading to the fuel station. I just found it's easier to sit there and fill up at half, and that way it doesn't hit so hard. And right now this is where I'm at. So this week I'm been taking a class up in Ocala at the fire college, and I've been driving back and forth. I filled up Sunday night and been going back and forth. It's basically an hour for me, both up one way and an hour back. So it's been a little city driving and a little bit of highway driving. So that's what I'm getting mixed, is 13.5. Have seen it as high as 13.8, but last night on the way home I did hit a lot of stop and go. So anyways, that's where I am at right now. I'm headed to the gas station to fill up, and I'll give you that MPG, and then once I get out on 75 I'll show you different speeds at different RPMs. Alrighty. Alright everyone, 329. Holy cow, gas prices just keep on going up. So I'm doing it just like TFL. Just got it running. Got it click the opener. Once it clicks off, I'll wait 30 seconds and then top it off. So let's see how bad this is. It's right now, it's below, just below a half. We got a garbage truck convention going on right now. So the tank is a 48-gallon tank, so I'm assuming we're going to be somewhere around 24 gallons. Might be a little bit more. Like I said, it's below a half, so this might take a little while. We're at 70. $24 gallons, $80. Should be clicking here soon. Alright, we're starting to. There's 30 seconds. Stop it. And let's go. So right at 27.06.9. whatever's in the... At 329, you got to get everything out of the hose. Cost $89.30. Definitely want my receipt. Don't you love it when the receipt doesn't work? All right, let's see what we got. So we got 351.6 miles. And it took 27.069. So right at 12.989. So right at 13. She's pretty predictable that way. Anyways, let me get this reset. I'll start heading out. And once I get out on the highway, I'll bring you back and show you some RPMs at different miles per hour. Thought I'd bring you back for a leaving the light. Just show you how everything shifts and how the gears pop through. It's very smooth. The 10-speed transmission, boy, she's smooth. I honestly love this transmission. Figured also I can give you some low speed RPMs. So 55, I'm turning right under 1500, so maybe 1450 right there at 55. Pretty low for cruising around town. Of course, this has the 373s in it, so just trying to give somebody, if you're looking for, you know, you could buy these trucks. They start out at 373s. You can get 410s or 430s, and that's the three options that I know of that Ford offers. So I'll bring you back when I get back on the interstate and do. I'll bring you back when I get on there. That way you can see, you know, 60, 65, 70, 75, and 80, and that'll make the video there. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. We're getting up on the turnpike and going to 75. Usually you don't have to punch it to get up here too bad. Traffic should be too bad. No. Alright, so we'll just set it here at 60. Down the hill. There's 60 right there. So 1550 somewhere right there. Going up 65. Traffic, so But they seem to be cruising right along, so let's see. So there's 80. Right above 2,000. So as you can see, the 373s, she keeps some lower RPMs at the higher speeds, help out a little bit on your highway driving. And now that I plan on doing a lot of that, because I really enjoy the back roads. But anyways, it still helps out when you're cruising down, you know, keeps your RPMs low, even at normal 55-mile-an-hour speeds. I will say it's probably not the best for pulling. You'd probably do better if you were pulling to have the 410s, probably a good mix. And then, you know, if you're pulling really heavy, you might even try 430s. Had a conversation with a friend of mine who does RV running. He goes up to Indiana and picks up RVs and takes them all over the place. Presently, he has a Ram 3500 dually with the 6.7, and he says he did the delete on his, and he was saying that the best he ever really gets unloaded was about 16, and then hauling, and he says he typically hauls fifth wheels. He gets about anywhere from 10. He said 9.5 at if they're really heavy, and depends on where he's at, and anywhere. So he says the average is like 10 or 11. So honestly, I don't feel too bad getting 9.5 with this. He was actually looking at this 7.3 Godzilla truck. He says that's his next truck he gets, because he has friends that are driving them right now that are telling him they're getting, you know, 15. The more miles they get on, the better it gets. So hopefully I'll keep you abreast of that. But anyways, I'm gonna cruise on and get to class. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, you know, mostly this is about my Falcon and the restoration process of that. But since I've been in class, I haven't been able to do too much with it. So I've been kind of filling in with these MPG dually Godzilla videos. But I'm fixing to get back on it. And so please, if you like those type of videos, please like and subscribe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I also got a sister channel with my wife that we're just starting up. It's Double D Travels. I'll put a link at the bottom of this. And we're just basically about our truck camper and the truck. And you know, we got an older truck camper, so we got some little things that we need to fix up on it and get that going. And it'll be about our travels, so different places to boondock and so forth. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video.